안녕하세요 everyone, Hangulish 쌤입니다. Today I want to show you how to get the absolute most out of my Korean lessons. If you're starting from scratch, you can follow my regular lessons playlist. They guide you from zero knowledge all the way up to the advanced level. That's the plan, and they are organized book by book. If you're watching this video as I upload, we're currently at 4th book of the beginner level, which is the highest level of the beginner level. So as I previously mentioned in my post, I'm introducing a new playlist called Listen and Digest. These are videos where you're going to only listen and your only job is to relax. You can lie down, close your eyes, or even play them as you fall asleep. You do not need to look at the screen at all. Just focus on the audio. I will include the Korean and English text on the screen, but that's only there as a backup if you want to check specific details later. The purpose of Listen and Digest videos is for unconscious learning. Think about how babies learn their native language. They do not take notes or study grammar rules and stuff. They just listen, absorb whole sentences and situation, and figure out the details later. That's exactly what we are doing here. I know you guys are not babies, but you already have taken my regular lessons, so you already have the basics of how it works. So this is going to work perfectly for you guys. These videos are designed to naturally reinforce everything you have learned in the regular lessons so you can understand when you hear it and also you can speak. So put your notebooks away. You do not need to take any notes down, and you don't even need to repeat the sentences. But if you do, it will also help you too. So I'm not saying you must not repeat the sentences. It's not required. Even by listening, you will get the benefit. Again, make sure you have learned the chapters from the regular courses. At the beginning of each Listen and Digest video, I will mark it which book and what chapter it is from so you can reference it. For those who have listened my regular videos before, you don't need to worry about it. Now, I just want you guys to relax and listen carefully and let unconscious learning do the work. You'll be surprised by how much you will improve from this. Alright, you're all set to go. 화이팅!